Walk-in tubs are pretty cool. Um, you have to be aware though of where you're going to put them. If you're replacing an existing tub or going to put it into the area where the shower is, you have to make sure that you know the measurements in the tub. Couple things you have to be ready to understand. Will the tub fit through the bath door? Because, for example, if the door is 30 inches and the tub is 32, 33, you're going to have to take the door off and modify it if that's the tub you want. But they make different sizes in them, and you have to be aware of that. You also, of course, in this case, you have to shut off the water. Hello? I mean, that's basic to all these plumbing jobs. And you have to determine the door swing. So, for example, as you look at the tub, are you going to have an in swinging door or an out swinging door? And if so, if it's an out swinging door, where is it going to open to? Sometimes a toilet can get in the way and you can't use it. So that's something you got to be very aware of. Okay, so now you've got the measurement, you got the tub inside. All right. Now you got to take off wherever you're going to put it. You got to make sure it fits, as I said. You got to take off the tile if there's tile wall in the tub area. And you got to take off the backer material, anything that's going to expose the studs and have the tub be able to fit. Then you route the drain as you need to, and you install the water lines as you need to. Then you install the Durac and the wall backing material as the wall backing material to accommodate the tile or whatever type of finish you're going to do. Now the thing is, you have to build in the tub. And for example, if the tub, typically a tub is about 60 inches, and if the walk-in tub that you're getting is 52 inches, you've got to build the walls in 4 inches on each side, which is fine. You know, that's what we do, and actually it makes for a nice finish because once you build it in, you can trim it and make it look real nice. And then you install that tub, you install the tub faucet and a shower head if needed. Some people like the extra shower head, which is great because it works real well. And then you install the wall tile and grout or any other type of finish you determine you want. And then you install that trim, as I just got done mentioning, and it looks really pretty. A walk-in tub can be just a soaker tub, or it can be a jet tub, whatever a person wants. So you install that type of a unit, and now a person can relax. Like a jacuzzi scenario, and certainly from a tub to be able to soak in that, it's just real nice. You sit there and you really enjoy it. It's great. It's been very valuable for us. Okay, so there you go. Onward to the next thing.